Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tisa, founder and owner of Birmingham REI LLC, and on this channel we talk about how do you start investing for the price of a wig, right? And so let's get started. Out here where I'm at now, this is a small lot. This was the first lot that I actually purchased, first tax deed that I actually got directly from the state, not from the tax auction, from the state, right? And it's about 2 streets over from where I used to live. I was living at the time, so I thought, great, right? I could put my eyes on it, because remember, that's something that you want to do. You want to put your eyes on it. And I have a video for people, for investors, some tips, especially out of state or out of town investors. But that's one of the things that I do talk about putting your eyes on your property. So yeah, I was able to, because I was so close to it, I was able to really kind of research it. But even doing that, this is not, let me show you, this is not what I thought I was gonna get, right? I thought I was gonna get like a property that's up the hill from here. But anyway, I was new, wasn't really sure about what I was doing, and it's a whole nother story. I'm gonna do that story in a different video. We'll talk about why it's so important to just check, right? Before you give somebody your money, check. Before you send the state your money or the county your money for these properties. But anyway, it's a small lot, wood, so you know that's probably why I like to buy land now. But anyway, at the time, I was so just upset about it, but my dad was like, they're not making any more land. So he really just encouraged me to be grateful that I had this, but also to see it as an asset. Because when you look at it, you just think, well, okay, it's no house on there. You know, what am I going to do with that? It's no house, it's in a residential community. What am I going to do with it? Well, let me give you guys a strategy, and this is a strategy that I use right now. If it's a lot that's available and it's in a residential community, you may just be able to flip it for a profit, because the people that live next to this lot, they don't want anybody to come build on it, or you know, they may want somebody to come build on it, but they may want it first, right? They may want to have the option to buy it first. And so that's what happened with this one, and that's what this property right here taught me, okay? Right? Things happen, that's okay. You know, it may have been, some of it was beyond my control. Yeah, some of it was beyond my control, because I checked the address, I checked the parcel number, and this was before I sent the money in. I checked the GIS mapping, I did all of that, and still I ended up with something different than what I was going, you know, I thought I was getting. But that's okay, that's all right. You live and you learn. You get out here, you get your boots on. Let's see, guys. Okay, you get your boots on and you just learn, right? So here I am. I think I got it for like $1,200. Let me show you guys again. Got it for like $1,200. I actually sold it for $1,600, so I made 30% profit on this property. I was very proud of that. That was my first property, first investment, right? First time doing this tax deed investing. So very proud of that. And like I said on a different video, this channel is not gonna be about how you just blow your money up, right? I'm really not into that. You know, my personality is, I'm very practical. I want to understand something. I want to not just throw every dime I have into something, right? So this way, like I said, I got 30% on my money. I didn't lose a dime. Okay, I was able to keep an eye on it, make sure nobody was living over here, nobody was doing anything on the property, but I also made my money back and 30% on top of that. So I counted it as a win. It also gave my kids an opportunity to learn the business right along with me, and that's really important. And the people that bought it, they were super duper nice. So I actually got to meet some more neighbors at the time, so it was a win-win for me. But you guys, I just wanted to come on and do this really quick video. If you have any experiences with this, please share them in the comments, right? I would love to learn from you all. through your experiences. Like I said, I'm in Jefferson County, Alabama. I know it's different in different states, but I'm just sharing my own personal experience. And if you guys are interested in learning more, I do have a class that's going to drop pretty soon. So check that just link out in the description of this video. If you're interested in personal one-on-one coaching on how do you get started with this, I'll have that link in the video as well. Thank you all so much. See you in the next video.